Today we're going to start off in a town called Fossil, Oregon, and from there we're going to go through the Journey Through Time Byway, Highway 218, and end up in Antelope. I hope you enjoy our video.
Welcome to part 2 of our Eastern Oregon adventure. Journey through the golden wheat fields, the ghost towns, and rich layers of history. Today we begin in Fossil, a charming town of about 450 residents and the seat of Wheeler County. Quaint yet vibrant, Fossil serves as a hub for local farmers and residents, offering a unique blend of Old West charm, thrilling outdoor activities, and a gateway to the renowned John Day Fossil Beds National Monument. We'll explore a portion of the Journey Through Time Scenic Byway today, weaving through fossil and ghost towns that whisper stories of the past. The heart of Fossil's downtown is steeped in history, with many original brick and wood structures still standing. Highlights include the Fossil Museum, the Pine Creek Schoolhouse, and the Shepherd's Wagon. The schoolhouse, originally located along Highway 19, was relocated in 1993 to the site of the former commercial hotel. It now serves as an interpretive gem, sharing the area's rich heritage. Its name, Fossil offers visitors the rare opportunity to unearth fossils themselves. Just above the high school lies a fossil digging site where lucky explorers can keep their discoveries, a treasure trove waiting to be uncovered. The Journey Through Time Scenic Byway stretches an impressive 286 miles, connecting the Dalles to Baker City. Today's journey takes us along Highway 218 from Fossil to Antelope, passing through the Clarno unit. Located 18 miles west of Fossil, the Clarno unit boasts stunning palisades formed millions of years ago by volcanic mud flows. Once a thriving habitat for diverse plants and dinosaurs, with fossils revealing its fascinating prehistoric story. Clarno lies along the serene John Day River and owes its name to the early settler John Clarno. A post office was established here in 1894 but closed in 1949. While the area is dotted with gated entries and no trespassing signs, the structures appear privately owned yet well maintained, echoing its gone-by days. Next, we venture into Antelope, a town established in 1872 as a stage and freight stop along the historic Dalles Canyon City Trail. This route connected the Dalles with the gold mines near Canyon City. Antelope saw its first post office open in 1871 and grew in prominence with the arrival of the Columbia Southern Railway, which links Biggs on the Columbia River to Shaniko. Daily stagecoach runs brought life to the town during its heyday. However, challenges such as the wildfires and the 1920 flu pandemic led to a decline in the population and business. Then, in the 1980s, Antelope captured national attention during the controversial Rajneesh movement. The arrival of this group transformed the town into a Rajneepuram for a brief but turbulent chapter. Their dramatic attempt to seize control of Antelope in Wasco County ended amid criminal scandals, which led to the movement's collapse after its leaders fled. Today, Antelope stands as a testament to the resilience of its residents and a reflection of the region's layered history, a history both turbulent and deeply inspiring.
I hope you enjoyed our video of Fossil, Antelope, and the road between. Check out our playlist link in our description and give us a like, send us comments, and for sure subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, Senior Snoops.